Hello, let us see an example that will be used to generalize the first calculation. Consider that S produces A, B, C, D and A produces small a. In this case, the first of S will be small a. How? Because S produces A, B, C, D. Now this capital A produces small a, so it will be a b c d. So you can see all the strings generated by s will have a in the first, so first of s will be small a. Now consider the second example. S produces a b c d and a produces epsilon and b produces small b. In this case, the first of s will be small b. Why? Because s produces a b c d. Now this a produces the epsilon, so it will be b c d. Now from this production rule we can say that capital B produces small b c d. So you can see that all the strings which are generated by this s will have small b, so first of s is equal to small b. Now consider the third example. S produces a b c d, where a produces epsilon, b produces epsilon, but capital C produces small c. In this case, the first of s will be small c. How? Here s produces a b c d. From this production rule we can say that a produces epsilon, this will be become b c d. Now as b produces epsilon, this will be c d. Now as capital C produces small c, this grammar symbol will be small c capital D. So you can see that all the strings which are generated by s will have small c in its first, so first of s is small c. Now consider the last case. In the last case, it is given that s produces a b c d and a produces epsilon, b produces epsilon, c produces epsilon and d produces epsilon. So first of s will have epsilon. Why? Because s produces a b c d. Now as this a produces epsilon, so it will be b c d. Now as b produces epsilon, it will be c d. Now as c produces epsilon, it will be d, and finally as d produces epsilon, it will be epsilon. So we can see that all the terminals which produces by s will contain epsilon, so first of s is epsilon. So we can see that these four different production rules are used to generalize the concept of first of s. Thank you.